To automatically enable custom eye comfort sheet when sleep mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap eye comfort sheet. Tap eye comfort sheet and then select custom. Now adjust the color temperature you like to use. As the example, we will set it to 70%. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. With the setting, your phone will automatically turn on eye comfort shield filter and set it to the color temperature you set before, in this case 70%, when the sleep mode in your phone is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.